Hello everyone. Let's be real. Writing branching dialogue for a game usually turns into a massive headache, full of scattered JSON files or impossible to read spaghetti code. You get lost in endless conditions, forget the flags that trigger events, and to top it off, every time you want to playtest, you have to rebuild the entire project. I wanted to solve that once and for all. Welcome to the NexusSuite Dialogue Editor, a node-based narrative editor that runs directly in your browser. The dialogue editor was designed to work for you, not against you. The interface is incredibly intuitive, full drag and drop to handle everything visually. I can select a dialogue, logic, or action node and drag it onto the canvas. To connect the nodes, I just drag the mouse to create the link. The editor features an infinite canvas for limitless navigation, complete with minimap support. With integrated logic, you can build standard dialogues, create branches based on player decisions, and connect game logic with ease. Let's look at an example. Here we have a simple dialogue using all the nodes. We can see the options presented to the player, the actions, validations, and the resulting dialogue depending on the validation. This is where NexusSuite really stands out. You don't have to export anything to your engine to validate if your logic is correct. By just clicking Playtest, the system launches a live simulator right in the browser. You can interact with the dialogue, see how the conditional branches evaluate in real time, and monitor the event log to ensure events trigger exactly when they should. If something fails, you can pause execution and analyze the flow node by node with the inspector. Once you finish your dialogue, integrating it into your game is a simple, effortless process. You can export a JSON file, and soon you'll be able to use optimized formats with our upcoming integrations for Godot, Unity, and GameMaker. The dialogue editor is available now on NexusSuite, operating under a local-first model in your browser to ensure your work is always secure. Click the link in the description to try out several of these features with the Hobbyist tier today, completely for free. Let me know in the comments what other features you'd like to see in future updates. If you liked the video, you already know the drill. Hit like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for what's new from NexusSuite. Catch you later.